Yeah, I'm eyeing this. This looks really good. I need to make this week. Morgan, we have a recipe today for cheesy hash brown potatoes.
Yes.
We're joined here by Patrick, and Patrick is a junior at Lincoln High. He's job shadowing today. How's it going so far?
Pretty good. I'm loving it.
He's loving it. All right. So we thought we'd bring him in on a fun segment here. So Morgan, how did you get this recipe?
Just kind of on the internet, I've been searching around, but this is a dish that you could find at really any holiday table. Most people love cheesy hash browns, so why not add some corn flakes on top?
Why not? Okay, so how do we begin?
First, we're going to start with putting all of our ingredients with our defrosted hash browns. So if you want to pour in the sour cream, I will do some mixing. Yes, so you need a whole tub of sour cream.
Does it matter? This is light. But
yeah, and you could use any sour cream, or you could even use Greek yogurt. You can't really tell the difference when you're putting it in a dish like this.
Okay, great.
Perfect. So I'll mix that up. And then the next thing we need is that cream of chicken soup right in that bowl.
Okay.
And you could use that, or if you are missing that and you have like a cream of celery soup in your pantry, you could use that as well. So
oh, good. It's always smart to have these on hand. I think cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, cream of celery.
Pantry staples.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So I'll add this. We're going to put you to work in a second.
Yep.
Okay.
So once you got all that in, then we can add the cheddar cheese as well.
Okay. Do we need to add some salt and pepper in there?
Yes, yep, we can put salt and pepper, and the recipe calls for just a little bit, but if you wanted to add a little more, depending on if your family likes it, a little spicier or not.
Taste, okay.
Yep.
There we go.
And then we can't forget the onion.
Put that in
next.
Need
the mixed onion, yep.
Okay.
Go ahead and stick that in there, perfect.
We have a lot of onion.
And then we need about a half a cup of butter as well.
Okay.
And with the onion, we are using dried today, but you could use fresh, or you could use green onion, whatever your family prefers, or like we talked about earlier, whatever's in your pantry.
How much of this should I pour in?
About a half a cup, so we need about a fourth of a cup left for our topping.
Okay. About right there?
Yep, that's perfect.
Okay, great.
So I'll get this mixed up quick. And Patrick, if you want to pour the butter in there, and Taryn, if you could grab me the cheese.
Put that in there now?
Yep.
Okay.
And I'll get this mixed up while Patrick's doing that.
Great. Doing well.
And then once we get it all in the pan, yep, go ahead and stir that together, Patrick, with that or the spoon. Yep.
Do you help your mom in the kitchen?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, okay.
If you stick around here long enough, you'll get back with lots of recipes.
So then basically you put that in there.
Yep. Spray your pan first so stuff doesn't stick too bad. And then we'll pour the potato mixture in first.
Okay.
And then when Patrick has that ready, we will put that on top.
Why don't you start putting some in here, Patrick? We'll give it a try. All right. And then we'll just put this on top. Okay.
Yep. So let's spread that in the dish.
Great. And then just sprinkle
sprinkle that on top, exactly.
Great. And then just kind of
just spread it out.
Around.
Make sure everybody gets little crunchy pieces.
Oh, I love the crunchy stuff.
And you stick that in the oven and bake it for about 50 minutes.
All right, let's give it a try, Patrick. We'll each take a bite of it here. All right. This is so good.
Perfect for a weeknight meal or a family holiday.
His expression said it all. It's good stuff. You didn't know you were going to be fed today here, right? All right. Well, if you want this recipe, it's already posted on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Thank you to Common Ground. Thank you, Morgan, for that recipe.
Thank you.
Back to you, John.